don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like that, like you know. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean,
what's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and the current price that is at, my future price prediction, as well as what's going on around the crypto space. So I'd like to inform first that I do apologize about the lack of uploads. As you guys can hear on my voice, I'm not 100% back. I've been sick for the past like week and I'm barely recovering. My fever has not gone below 102. I went to go get COVID tested twice and they both came out negative. So it's probably just the flu or something going on, but man, I had to be in bed rest for a couple of days and I haven't been, my head hasn't been straight, big headache, but you know, we're pulling through, man. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm trying my best over here. I'm trying to get more betfury videos out, more price predictions, tokens, and things like that for you guys. So just bear with me, guys. I'll be 100% soon. Super excited about the future, and hopefully you guys stick around. All right, so currently the price of Bitcoin, $29,140. We are at a very critical stage for Bitcoin. It is a make or break scenario right here on this price. So support level is literally hovering right now at that price target of around 27,958, give or take 2,900 even, 29,000 even, and it's touching this 1334. It's above the candlesticks, which means it's super bearish, and it's going to continue to be bearish until these 1334 cross, and eventually there should be a bounce. I expect a small bounce here in the near future simply because of the RSI. It looks like it's oversold. So there should be a small bounce, but who knows how much that bounce will be able to help. In my own opinion, I do think it's going to break down, and my actual target, and I have actually been calling this target. If you guys follow me on Twitter, I've actually called it multiple times. I have said Bitcoin is gonna go back down and my target is $21,000. I know a lot of moon boys are gonna be super frustrated about that specific price target, but man, some people say it's all the way down to 19K. I'm keeping it on the low side, actually on the high side. 21,000 is what I'm thinking about. Another small support that I also see is around the 23 to 24,600 area that we could potentially see another bounce. But as long as we break this right here, it's just going to continue going down, and the support is just less and less likely to head. So we do have to keep an eye on this. Luna affected the whole entire market. The trust is not there right now, and it just completely shattered the whole entire crypto space in general. Stable coins, you're not even safe in stable coins anymore, and people are starting to see that. USDT even dropped down. I think I saw like 6 or 8%. So that alone is just mind-blowing, and the newbies that don't know here and that are just simply weak-handed and don't know what to do, that just completely sell on a 10% drop. You know, there's a lot of those out here nowadays, especially because of how easy it is to buy Bitcoin and crypto in general. Just Robinhood and crypto.com, Coinbase, it's getting easier and easier every single day to buy Bitcoin and crypto altcoins and things like that. So it just gets a lot easier to dump them. See, back in the day, way over here, it was a little bit harder for people to access Bitcoin and you know, just download an app and be able to buy it. But right now, in just a simple click of a button, you can literally just have automatic payments withdrawn to from your bank account, credit card, whatever, and buy Bitcoin. So, you know, you got to keep that in mind. But guys, if we manage to bounce, man, I don't even think we will be able to go past this line right here. Like, it's, if it bounces, it will try to go to 40K, but I feel like the whole entire market and whales and everything is just gonna push it continuously down, preventing it from going up. The RSI should be hovering around this space down here into the 50s. That's where I like to see it. As you guys know, I go based off of the 1334 moving average. Whenever the 13 crosses down, it's bearish, and as you guys see, and whenever it crosses above the 34, then that's bullish. And that's just pretty much how I trade. I don't like having a bunch of lines on my screen. It confuses me, it gives me a headache. This is simple, it works for me. Support and resistance, I draw my lines. You know, if there's any patterns like bull flags, descending, ascending triangles and things like that, I go based off of that as well. This same exact technical analysis, I use it for stock trading also, and it works freaking amazingly. So as you guys see, look at this, we bounced multiple times on this support level that we are right now, around the 29,000 area. But the more we retest this, the weaker it will get, and eventually we will drop back down. But I'm gonna stick with my target, man. I've been saying 21K is coming, and it will come eventually. If you think about it, Bitcoin has to get cheap in order for more people to buy it. Of course it does. It makes sense. In order for it to go even higher, people have to be able to buy it cheaper. So it's gonna go down. Altcoins are getting hurt right now, man. It really sucks, but a lot of altcoins right now are down like 50%. Solana is down a lot. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Sol and go to Sol USDT, or let's see, USD. Yeah, we'll do that one. Sol is getting hurt, man. Like literally just a couple of days ago, I saw it at like $80 or something like that, way over here. And now look at that. The NFTs are also hurting bad. Not even to mention Luna's. Oh, it hurts, man. It really does. So support level, give or take, it's right under support level. It's trying to come back. The 1334 is also not touching, nowhere near. So I feel like there's even more downside for Solana. If that does not bounce, man, we could potentially see the lowest is probably going to be $25. As much as it hurts for me to say that, man, Solana could go to $25, $26, you know, somewhere around that area. But it's not going to be an easy task for Solana to bounce back. It's going to need a lot of volume and a lot of big news for it to come back up. It is having constantly like network issues, and it just gets clogged up too many times, and I don't really like it, but at the same time I do. I see why people like Solana though. It has a bright future. It's just not ready though. But if Solana starts going down to the mid 20s, you bet your mind you gotta load up the bags. You know, if it goes under 20, you better start taking out a loan. That's not financial advice or anything. If it goes under $20, you know, this coin is easily worth over $200, which it has done it before. And later on in the future bull market, Solana is easily worth over $1,000. So in the year 2026, 2027, give or take, that's whenever I have predicted in that the next bull run is going to take effect. All these coins, man, we got to load up. It's accumulation phase. Not yet. It's not accumulation phase just yet. It's still time. Some of these altcoins will be dropping 98%. You can bash that unlike button on this video as much as you want. I don't care. I'm being honest with you guys. I'm not gonna hype you up and say buy now, this coin tomorrow is gonna be worth $300. I'm not like that. I'm an honest person, and I'm gonna be real with you guys. I have been doing this since 2015. I have seen these patterns before. I know the deal, and we're not done dumping yet. So yes, Solana did go all the way to 250. But yes, Solana could go back down to $10, $15, $5, you know, things like that. It is possible. All of these altcoins do the same exact thing. They go to ridiculous prices and then they drop down 95% 95 to 98% of its high volumes, the high price. So if you don't believe me, look at every altcoin, and literally the ones that are real and the true ones that survive the bear market and that actually, you know, sustain the big beat ups that the market give it, are the ones that are the most successful. So Solana, $250 something. If it drops down to $5, $10, and it survives throughout the whole entire bear market, people and whales and everything will see that. So the next bull run, Solana will be $1,000, $1,500. You know, I'm just putting numbers out there, but it is possible it will do that, and we just got to be patient. If you start accumulating around the $10, $15, $20 zone, you'll be good. If you buy 10, you know, $200 worth every 2 months, every 5 months, now something like that, in the future you'll have $5,000, $10,000 by you just holding on to them tokens. So it's just something to keep in mind, man. The one I'm super hyped about is Binance. Binance is the best token, especially whenever it comes to NFTs. So I'm waiting for Binance to just break. Right now, $280, and everything, all of these look exactly the same. Look at this, the 1334 is just a waterfall effect right now, and I'm just waiting for these level. Everything is right at support levels. So 216 is what I think Binance is, where its last life support is at. After that, there's really no support level, except maybe like right here, give or take, at the 140. But that's a maybe, man. If it manages to hold and bounce up, that's great. But there's no support all the way down to $50, man. So I'm super excited about Binance. I want to see $50 Binance. I really do. And in the future, man, if it does hit it, $50 is where my buy target. $50 to $75, I'm gonna be buying so many Binance, man, because Binance, it's fast, gas is cheap, NFTs are amazing. It's gonna be the next big thing. Play to earn is the best on Binance in my own opinion, and in the next bull run, like I said, around 2026, 2027, Binance could easily be worth $5,000 plus, $3,000, $5,000 plus, and I'm super excited, and I hope this video stays along throughout the whole entire journey, and I'm able to show you guys in the future that I was right, and I hope this video makes you guys aware that it's just a rinse and repeat pattern. You just buy, sell, you accumulate, wait for it, and then just sell again on the next bull market. So we just got to be patient. I know it sucks right now. A lot of people lost money, but you also have to think about that a lot of people made stupid amount of money in this bull run. So it takes money to make money. You just got to know when to buy, when to sell, when to cut losses, as well as which tokens to get into. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Take care. I'm out. Peace.
You don't get paid if you sleep in, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been